I'm here to come and say thank you to the firefighting team from Cape. At the time when we needed you most, you were there to help us. I remember when the first fire started on a Saturday afternoon, there was also a fire in Betty's Bay. And so some of the Cape Town fire engines were in Betty's Bay. And so we had to recall them from Betty's Bay. But then we had this wonderful response from Plettenberg Bay, from George, from other municipalities who came and assisted us. Without you, we would have not been able to extinguish that fire. So to the brave men and women that really came forward, I must say, I would not like to have your job. It is dangerous, it is hot next to those fires, it needs dedication and commitment, and all the firefighters, all the brave men and women that we saw descending onto Cape Town to help us with the fire, you are the real heroes. Thank you for saving lives, thank you for saving some of our vegetation, and just the beauty, the scenery. We really, from the bottom of our hearts, we want to say thank you. Baie dankie en kos ek